Yeah, everything is fine now, guys. Actually, network issues. Okay.
Yes, Ravi, everything is fine.
Okay. So let's move on. Now, let's move on. Okay. So here what will be there now, guys? Okay, 5 seconds. Okay. So, but whenever we are talking about that what, whenever we are talking about that what, like what, uh, if I want to convert, just because here we can give the input as what is that input as what millisecond only, right? Millisecond only, right? Millisecond, right? Millisecond only. Okay, so if 4 days there, how we can convert it for that, for those per people, for that purpose? What is that? Spring, right? What is that? Java people is given. What is that? Time unit, right? Time unit one class is there, right? Time unit one class is there. Based on that time unit, we can convert those things. Okay. So just what I'm going to do here, just I'm writing one main method, normal Java main method. Okay. Class test only, right? I'm taking what one test class with main method. Just think about that. This is the normal Java core Java concept, right? Core Java concept. What I'm doing now, guys? Uh, okay. That is in that class. What is that? All things is the what is that? Enum only, right? So what is that time? I'm taking what time unit, or you can see like this only. Control Shift T, and here what is that time unit one class is there, right? See this. I'm opening this API. So here, see what is that a nanosecond? It is what is that a list? List means list priority means list of the what is the time unit? What is that list is what is that nanosecond? After then what is that microsecond, millisecond, second, minute, hour, day, and what is that day? Till now day. After then nothing is there, right? Nothing is there. Okay, so see this. What is that? How much seconds and time? 1 minute. Okay. One what is that 1 microsecond, this one is what first one is what is that 1 microsecond, okay, and after then what is that thousand microsecond equal to what is that thousand microsecond equal to what is that milli, right? See this thousand microsecond equal to what is that no thousand nanosecond equal to thousand nanosecond equal to what is that 1 millisecond, because second parameter, right? Second parameter, see this second parameter, this one is what second parameter, first one is a nanosecond, right? Means what is that one sec what is the one nanosecond is this one. List what is that, what we can say list time, right? List time, but what is that after thousand nanosecond equal to what is that thousand nanosecond, this 1000 nanosecond equal to what is that one one microsecond. After then what is that another one is what this one thousand, what is that thousand, what is that microsecond equal to thousand microsecond equal to what is that 1 milli, right? Millisecond thousand, what is that thousand microsecond equal to 1 millisecond, right? After then what is that next one is what thousand millisecond equal to 1 second. After then what is that after then thousand second equal to what is that here see millisecond, okay, thousand millisecond equal to no sorry thousand millisecond equal to 1 second, right? And 1 second equal to what is that 1 second equal to 1 minute, right? 1 minute, right? 60 second equal to what is that 1 minute, right? Yeah, 60 second equal to what is that 1 minute, and 1 minute 60 hour equal to 60 minute equal to 1 hour and 24, like that. This one is what this one is converted, right? This conversation is there. Based on this API we can able to what we can able to convert what is that our API. So let's see that how we can convert what is the time date in the millisecond, right? Let's see that. So what we will do now, inside that we seeing that multiple method is there. One more time I'm opening this that class, right? Time unit, right? Time unit, let's open this class now. Okay, so see what is that nanosecond. This is the nanosecond, microsecond. After then what millisecond. Okay, we will work on what is that millisecond only. We have need to work on what millisecond. After then second, minutes, right? Minutes and hours and a day, right? Like these are the enums. Enums are there, right? Using these enums, we will convert it. Okay, let's convert it. Let's convert it. How we can convert now? So just I'm taking what is the time unit, right? Time unit. Time unit dot. I want to convert what is that? Second in second 4 second, right? 4 second in what is that? No, 4 hour I want to convert in second. So how we can convert? See this 4 hour I want to convert, right? So possible value hours is there, right? Now what I want to convert this hour in a second, right? So what the 2 second method is there, right? So how much like I want to convert what is that 4 hour into second, right? So I want to see that how much it will be, how much it will be. So its a return type is what? Long, right? Long. Now time a, just I'm taking, right? Time a. Now print it. Okay. Time a. I'm taking the time a, right? Fine now. Okay, let's run the application. Okay, I'm running. 4 hours. 4 hours equal to this much second now, guys. 14,400. Correct, right? It is correct or wrong? Right or wrong now? Anyone having calculation capacity is too good? Okay. So same like, okay?
Yes, right.
Yeah. Now fine. Okay. Again, I want what is that? If you want to convert what is the day to nanosecond, right? I want to convert 5 day in the nanosecond. So what we will do now? Just I'm taking this same only, right? Same. And here what I'm doing now, guys? What I'm doing now? Day. Here what I will take the date, right? Day possible value I told, right? I shown you now. Uh, time unit, this one I'm taking what is that? B, and here also B, right? Here also I'm taking B. After then what is that? Day is there, right? 2 second is there. No, I want to convert in the what is that? Millisecond, right? Millisecond, microsecond, anything. Okay, if you want to convert what is that? What is that? I want to convert what is that? Nanosecond. So what is that method? Is that 2 nanosecond? 2 nanosecond, right? 4 day, 4 day only. 4 day I want to convert in the nanosecond. So how we can just bypassing this one? Okay, run this one. Okay, this one will convert in the this much. Okay, this much will be there. If we convert 4 day in what is that? Nanosecond, right? Nanosecond means what is that? This one, this much millisecond will be there, right? This is the yeah. Okay, no, no, sorry, 2 nanosecond equal to millisecond. Yeah, correct. So this much time will be there, right? Okay, so now fine now, guys. Okay, next one is what? Next one is what I want to convert. But whenever we are working in what is that? Whenever we are working in what? Schedule time, scheduling concept, right? Scheduling concept. What is the argument? What the argument is taking now? Millisecond only, right? So if we want to convert, right? If we want to convert what? If we want to convert, right? I want to convert what is that? Just, but what is that? I want to convert day in what is that? Day in what is that? Millisecond, right? Millisecond, right? Yeah, millisecond. So I this day I want to convert into millisecond. So what is the method will be there now, guys? 2 millisecond, right? 2 millisecond, right? So I want to convert 4 day in the milliseconds, right? Millisecond, 4 day, 4 day, 4 day. This one is the argument, right? Means 4 means what is that? 4 day. I want to convert the 4 day in the millisecond. So what is that? What will be there? This much. Okay. So like that we will convert, right? Like this we will convert. Okay. So using which API? Using what is the time unit, right? Time unit. Okay. So now fine. Now guys, let's come in our application now only, right? Let's come in our application now. Okay. So what is the fixed delay? Fixed delay. Now just think about. I'm going to give what is that timeline to you people. Okay. Timeline to you people. Just analyze it. Okay. just what analyze it. Okay, so what is that fixed delay? Just think about that. I'm going to give that on the timeline. Okay, then you people will get what clear picture. What is that? Just think about that. What is that fixed? Fixed delay is there, right? Fixed delay timeline. Fixed delay timeline. Okay, so just think about that. Here we taken what is that method name, what is that execute report. Leave it. I'm taking what is that just method name m1 here only na to understand, right? So just think about that. This is what is that timeline is there, right? Timeline is there. This is what timeline is there, right? This is what timeline is there, right? Timeline is there. Okay, so on the timeline here what will happen now? Here just think about that our application is starting now. Okay, our application is what is starting now. Application, right? So application is started now. Okay, after then what is that? What we are giving now here, guys? What the argument we are passing 5 seconds, right? 5 seconds. So what will happen now? What will happen now next? After then what is that? Just think about that M1 method is there, right? Just think about that in our application. What is that M1? Just assume it. M1 method is there, right? M1 method is executing every, right? Every, what is that? What is that? What we are giving the 5 second, right? 5 second time, right? 5 second time we are giving, right? So every 5 second, right? Five s is so 5 second. What will happen? Our what is that? Our M1 method is executing now. This is what executing time, right? Now this is what executing time. Fine now, guys. So next one is what? Next one is what? And which one we are selecting? The which argument? Fixed delay, right? Fixed delay. Fixed delay. Okay. No, just think about that M1 method, right? M1 method execution time is what? 3, right? 3. And what is the fixed delay time? What we are taking now, guys? Fixed delay, right? Fixed delay time, what we are taking now? 5 minutes, right? Sorry, 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Here, what is that wait? Right, execution time means method is taking only what is that? Method is taking what? 3 seconds, right? And we are given what? We are given what is that? 5 seconds, right? We are given the time at 5 seconds. Means what is that? After starting the application, just think about that what M1 method is executing now, right? M1 method is what? Here, what will happen now? M1 method is executing, right? M1 method is executing. Okay, this execution time is taking what is that? What is that? 3 seconds. 3 seconds, right? After then, what is that again? Because this method is executing in the based on that looping concept, right? Looping concept. Okay. So now fine. So here, what will happen again? What is it? Our container will call the same method, right? Our again container will call the same method, right? So no. Okay. So again, what is that M1 method? Again, M1 method is taking time, right? After then 3 second execution, after execution is completed, right? Our container will wait. What is that? 5 seconds, right? 5 seconds. 5 seconds, right? Our application will wait. What is that? 5 seconds. 5 seconds. So now fine. So what is that waiting time now? After execution, the task, what is the waiting time? 5 seconds, right? Then what our wait, right? Our what is that? Our application will wait. What is that? 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Our application will wait now. Fine. Okay. After completing 5 second waiting time, right? After completing 5 second waiting time, again, what will happen now? Again, what is that? Our M1, right? M1 method will call. Okay. Our again, what is that? Our container will call M1 method. Now, again, just think about that 3 second. Our again, what is that? Again, 3 second will take, right? 3 second. Our M1 method will take what is that? 3 second. Okay. 3 second. Okay, our M1 method is taking what? 3 seconds. Now, again, what will happen now? Again, after completing this task, what is that? Again, our container will wait. What is that? Our container will wait. What is that? Wait, what is that? 5 seconds. 5 second, right? Again it will wait, what is that, 5 second. Again what, again our container will call what, again our container will call what, m1 method, m1 method. After then what is that, again our, what is that, application will take, what is that, 3 second, right? 3 second. Okay, so this much time it will take, right? This much time is taking now. Okay, so fine now guys. Okay, so this is the, means what is that, fixed delay means what is that, we don't know sometime what will happen now in the real time. Just assumption time, this one is what, assumption time to our application is taking, what is that, to run application what, 3 second, right? So after the, after executing the task, maybe it will take, what is that, maybe it will take 6 second also. It's not meaning that only 3 second also guys. Okay, it's not meaning that only, what is that, 3 seconds. So it will take, what is that, 6 second also. But still after executing this task, what will happen now, our container will wait, what is that, 5 seconds. Our container will wait 5 seconds. Then again it will call, what is that, then again what our container will do now, again our container will call this method. Okay, how much time it will take, no problem, right? Again what will happen now, again 5 seconds will wait. Okay, this waiting time is nothing but what guys, this waiting time is nothing but what, fixed fixed delay time, right? Fix a delay time, right? So now, okay, so we understood what is that fixed delay time, right? If our task is taking, what is, 3 second, what is that, 4 second, or 10 second, or 1 hour, but still what we have to execute next time same method, what it will take, what is that, 5 second, because in the argument how much time we are given, 5 second, right? 5 second, our, what is that, method will wait again our method will wait, what is that, 5 second. Then what is that, our container will call again this method, right? That is called what, fixed delay. Now let's understand what is that fixed rate, right? Right, let's understand what is that fixed rate. Fixed rate, right? Fixed rate, because here I told, right, here I told how many arguments are there now, how many arguments are there now guys. See this, fixed delay, fixed rate. Then we will discuss about the cron. Cron is important guys. Okay, but if you face the interview, in the interview, interviewer definitely will ask what is the main difference between what is a fixed delay and what is that fixed rate. Now what is that? Okay guys, so same things. Okay, same timeline. Let's take same timeline only, right? Same timeline only. There is based on this one, we can't show any changes, but you know what is the internal changes is there. I will tell, right? I will tell. Now I'm running the same application now. 43, 48, right? 43, 48, 58. Same things. You can't see because the application is not too big, right? Our application is not too big. But what is the main difference? Let's understand on the timeline only. Let's understand on the timeline only. Okay. So, okay, guys. So here, what is that fixed rate? Fixed rate means what? Fixed rate means what? Here we are given, right? We are given, what is that? Our starting time is what? Our starting time is what? Our starting time is what? M1 method execution time we are given 3 second, right? 3 second, and what is that? We are given, what is that fixed rate? Here just think about that fixed rate will be there. Right? Fixed rate. This is the fixed rate. We are giving what? 5 second only, right? 5 second. Fixed rate we are given, what is that? 5 second only, right? Fixed rate is what? 5 seconds. So in this case, what will happen now, guys? In this case, what will happen now? See this, okay? In this case, so here, what is that? Just think about that in the real time, right? I said that this just, you don't think this 3 second only, right? Don't think this is the 3 second only, right? So here, what is that? Application is started, right? So now M1 method. Now our container is calling what? M1 method, right? M1 method. Okay. If Okay, so here what will happen now? M1 method, right? M1 method. Here what will happen now? If our application is taking what is that 5 second between, right, between here what will happen now, guys? Here, what is that? Here if a 3 second method execution is time, maybe it will take what is that, four, right? What is that, 4 second, right? 4 second. And what is that, our fixed rate time is what, 5 second is there, right? 5 second is there. Now 5 second is there. In between what will happen now, guys? What will happen now? Our application will wait what is that, 5 second only, right? 5 second will wait, right? 5 second will wait. Okay, M1 matter. Here our application is started. Fine, our application is started now. Okay, so we are given what is the 3 second. Our method is taking execution time is taking what is the 3 second, right? In the 3 second, okay, so 3 second it will take. After then what is that, 5 second. 5 second our application, again 5 second our application will wait. Our application will wait. Now after waiting time, right, after waiting time, again what will happen now? 5 second here, what our application is waiting now, right? After 5 second what will happen? Again our application will enter. Just think about the M1 method. Now in this time our M1 method is taking what is that, 5 second only, right? 5 second. Okay, so waiting time is what, 5 second. After then M1 method also taking what is that, 5 second. So in this case what will happen? Here waiting time will be not there. Here what is that, waiting time will be not there. Suddenly what will happen now? Our container will call what is that, our container will call what, M2 method, right? Means what is that, here if within the time if our what is that method will not execute, means what is that, just think about that. We are given what is the 3 second execution time, right? Our application, we are assuming the our method is taking what is the 3 second execution time. But what is that, our application is taking what is the 6 second, 6 second, right? 6 second. Okay, so if our application is taking what is the second, right? Second, then what will our waiting time will become what is that, 4 second only. Waiting time will become here what is that, 4 second. 4 second. If our application, is what, if our application is taking what, 3 second, then our container will wait, right? 5 second, 5 second, right? 5 second. If our application will take what is that, execution time 4 second, right? 4 second, right? 4 second. So still our application will wait what is that, 5 second, 5 second. But if our application will take what is that, 6 second, 6 second to execute, and what is that, waiting time is what, 5 second, then what will happen now? What will happen now? Our container will wait what is that, will wait what is that, 4 second only. Our container will wait what, 4 second only. Okay, now no, if our application is running what is that, if our application is executing what is that, taking what is that, 10 second, and our application waiting time is what, 5 second, then what will happen now? What will happen now? Your container will not wait. Container will not wait. Suddenly back to back container will call what, next method, next method. This concept is nothing but what, guys? Fixed rate. This concept is nothing but what? Fixed rate. In any fixed delay, in fixed delay, what will happen now? In the fixed delay, our method will take what is the 10 second, and our waiting time is 5 second, right? But still after execution the method, right? After execution the method, our container will wait 5 seconds. But in the case of fixed rate, if our what is that, waiting time is 5 second, and our application, what is that, our application taking what is that, 6 second execution time, then in this case what will happen now? Our container just will wait, our container will wait only what, 4 second. 1 second will reduce from what, our waiting time. From the our waiting time what will happen now? Our container will reduce now. Okay, so like this what is that, this is the main difference between what is the fixed delay and a fixed rate. Guys, here just what I'm doing now, here single method I'm writing. Based on that single method, we can't see what is that, we can't see. If we write what is a thousand line, then our burden, sorry, then our container will feel little bit burden. Then there we can what is that, assume what is that, we are getting like this. Okay, like this. Okay, there we can understand, okay, yeah, it's taking time, and we can differentiate what is that. We can differentiate, oh, here taking in this time our application is taking 5 seconds, and now here what is that, it's reducing the time, it's reducing the time. But here what is that, just we are writing what is the SOPLN. In this, our container in the fraction of second also will not take to execute this method, right? So here we can't see, okay, we can't see, but because of that I explain on the timeline now. Okay na, because of that I explain on the timeline what is that fixed rate and what is that fixed delay difference, right? Fixed delay and fixed rate difference. Okay. So now I hope the people can understand based on that explanation, right? Till now, any doubt is there, anyone? Till now, anyone having any doubt? Guys, from here onward, you people also involved, because I'm going to explain what is that cron expression. Because I'm going to explain from here onward cron expression. I don't want only one person to give the answer, right? I'm not fully here, okay? Just I only what is that speak and talk. Everything, every facility I'm giving to you people. Even I'm uploading the videos on YouTube also. What is this? Hey, who's this Lakshmi? Uh, okay. Okay. Give the answer, okay? Give the answer, okay? Then I can. Otherwise, I will stop it, guys. Okay. To explaining anything, energy is wasting now. Okay. It's not meaning that easily. So I need from your side also. What is that answer? Okay. So let's understand what is that cron expression, right? Let's understand what is that cron expression, guys. Okay. One expression I will explain, guys. Another expression I will ask to you people. Okay, from here onward. Okay, one expression I will explain, and another one based on that same example only. I will ask to you people. Okay, just give the reply using chat box. Be active, everyone, and I want from everyone reply. Right? I want what is that from everyone reply. Right? So just what I'm going to do now. So this one is only important, guys. Okay, for the interview sake only. Interview sake only, I explain this one. Okay, for the interview sake only, I explain this one. Okay, from here onward, in the company, if you are applying this, right, any report generator generating pay slip and all those things, from here onward, your day will be complete with what is that cron expression only, right? Cron expression only. So let's understand what is that cron is what. Cron is what, guys? Cron is a expression.
Actually, Ravi,
Hmm.
can I ask a question?
Yeah.
सो एक्चुअली रवि, जो आपने बोला था ना कि जो एग्जीक्यूशन टाइम ज्यादा लेता है तो रेट टाइम ऐसे डिक्रीज हो जाएगा बेड टाइम।
Hmm.
तो उसको प्रैक्टिकल कैसे देख सकते हैं कि मतलब अपना टाइम डिक्रीज हुआ है, बेड टाइम ऐसे कम हुआ है, जैसे 5 सेकंड है तो
Yes, yes.
एग्जीक्यूशन।
Yes, Satish. Actually, in your application, you can't see. In your application, just you know what you will do now. just prefer any internet and like internet document, right? Just see the difference. Like that you can't see, because here in the what is that, whenever you will write the 1,000 line, minimum 1,000 line of application, if big application is there, then you can get what is that difference. Then you can see the difference by what is that writing SOPLN. You can't see the what is that difference here.
Okay, okay.
Because you know, one or two statement if you are writing, you can't able to, because until unless if you're write what a container, what is that, if you give the multiple tasks to what is that container, then there you can see in the real time if you apply now, because in the real time multiple APIs are there, right? Multiple APIs there, their execution time will take much time. There
Okay,
you can, there you can find what is that main difference, right? Here in the
yeah.
one or two line statement, within the two or one line statement, you can't see that difference.
Got it, got it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Mhm. Okay, so cron expression used to indicate what is that date and time. Based on that cron expression, also guys, what we can do now, we can apply this date and time, right? Date and time. Okay, so now what is that? It can be what used for what? Used for both. What is that? Both point of time, and what is that? Even period of time, right? We can, based on that cron expression, we can, what we can do now, we can apply those both things. Okay, but we first we have need to understand what is that, whenever we will apply the cron expression, what is that inside this what argument, the six placeholders are there, right? Six places is there. So what is the main minimum possibility we have need to see that second, right? As seconds are there, seconds, and what is that, another one is what, minutes are there, right? Another one is what, another one is hours, hours, and another one is what, day is there, right? Day is there. Okay, so after then what is that, month is there. After then what, month is there. After then what is that, weekday is there, right? Weekday is there, means what, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the possibility is there, right, to apply what, cron expression, right? So second possibility is what is that, possible value is what, guys? 0 to what is that, 59, right? 59. Second possibility is what, 0 to 59 second, right? Another one is what, minutes are there, right? Minutes are there. Okay, minutes are there. What is the minutes? Minutes possibility is there, 0 to what is that, 59. 59 minutes also there, right? 0 to what, 59. Okay. Har means what is that, guys? 1 to 1 har. Sorry, 0 to what? 0 to 23. 23, right? 23 possible value. Okay, yeah. 23, 24 hours is there, right? In a day, what is that, 24 hours is there? Means what is that, 0 to 23 possibility is there. And a day, what is that? What is that, 1 to 12, right? What is that, 1 to, no, sorry, 1 to 31, right? 31. In a month, how many days? There 31, sometimes 31, sometimes 30, right? Sometimes 20. Okay, so but what is that, in the cron expression, what is that, 1 to 31 days possibility is there. Another one is what, month possibility is what, guys? 1 to what, 12 is there, right? Month possibility is what, 1 to 12 is there, right? Fine. Now, and a weekday our, what is that, Sunday to what is that, Saturday, right? These are the possibilities are there in what is that, second, minute, and hour, and what is that, day, and what is hour, and what is that, day, month, and a weekday, right? Weekday. These are the possibilities are there. Okay, guys, and what is that in the day, 1 to 7? No. Day means what, Sudhir? Weekday. You are talking about that. What is that? What is that in the chat box? Day 1 to 7. No. No, no. Okay. So let's move on. Okay. Allow symbol in the cron expression, right? In the cron expression, what is the symbol is allowed now? Okay. Let's see. The symbol is allowed now. Okay. Here I will write the here on. I will explain each and everything, guys. Okay. So now what is that star symbol? Star symbol means what is that? Any or what is that? All. Any means what is that? Any or all, right? Any or all. Okay. Now another one is what? Dash symbol, right? Dash symbol means what is that? Range. We will, whenever we will talking about the range, we will see that. Okay. Whenever we will see the example at the time, we will see that. Okay. Range. Range, right? Range. Based on that symbol. Okay. Now based on that comma, what we will do now? Based on that comma, what we will do now? Possible value, right? What is the possible value is there, right? Now after then what is that? After then what is that? Slash, right? What is that? Period. Period of time we will expose with this symbol, right? After then what next? What we will do now? These are the symbol is allowed. Whenever we will use what is that exact, that time we will see that. Okay. Another one is what? Another one is what? Question mark. Question mark. It will in the last, if we are using month, right? Week and a day. If we are using from there, we will use what is that? Question mark, right? Question mark. Any or what is that? All used for day and week. When